Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn what is resilience in social work and who is responsible for developing resilience in social workers. Introduction. Resilience is the foundation for healing trauma both for individuals and communities. According to the American Psychiatric Association, resilience is the process of adapting in the face of adversity, trauma, tragedy, threats, or significant sources of stress, including disasters, racial tension, domestic and gun violence, abuse, and poverty, and witnessing domestic, community, or school violence. It means being able to bounce back from difficult experiences. Building resilience is at the core of social worker practice, and therefore, embracing and promoting trauma informed approaches is natural for social workers. Definition of resilience. Resilience is the ability to adapt to difficult situations. When stress, adversity, or trauma strikes, you still experience anger, grief, and pain, but you are able to keep functioning both physically and psychologically. Resilience in social work refers to the ability of social workers to effectively manage the stress and challenges of their work, maintain their well-being, and continue to provide high-quality services to clients. This can include the ability to adapt to and recover from difficult or traumatic situations, to manage and regulate emotions, to maintain positive relationships and connections, and to maintain a sense of purpose and meaning in their work. Resilience is an important aspect of self care and self compassion for social workers, as it helps them to avoid burnout and compassion fatigue and continue to provide high quality services to the individuals and communities they serve. Who is responsible for developing resilience in social workers? Social workers are responsible for developing their own resilience. However, their employers and professional organizations also have a role in providing support and resources to help them maintain their well being and effectively manage the stress and challenges of their work. This can include things like regular supervision and debriefing, access to counseling and therapy, and opportunities for continued education and professional development. Additionally, there are a number of organizations that provide resources and support specifically for the well being and resilience of social workers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more videos.